Invoice. Discover all that you need to know about invoicing, from the basics to the best practices to be followed while creating invoices. Today's video will cover the following topics: what is an invoice? Why do we need one? Elements of an invoice. Pro tips for raising an invoice. What is an invoice? An invoice is a commercial document issued by a seller to a buyer. It identifies both the trading parties and gives details of the items, price, taxes, and discounts if any. Why do you need an invoice? Proof of sale. Essential documentation confirming completed transactions for legal compliance and financial clarity. Track payments. Stay organized and informed with effective payment monitoring. Maintaining records, crucial for accuracy, compliance, and informed decision-making. Analyze business trends, key to understanding market dynamics and making informed strategic decisions. Easy tax filing, simplifying the process with organized records and accurate financial documentation. Elements of an invoice. Invoice number. There should be a unique invoice number for each invoice to separate it from the rest. Date, followed by the date on which the invoice was raised. Payment terms and due date, then the payment terms and the due date should be given. Name and address. Name and address of the seller must be specified so that the customers can reach out in case of any queries. Name of the customer along with the billing address and shipping address. Details. The details of the items being sold such as name, quantity, rate, and amount of the subtotal, the tax that is levied on the items, the total invoice amount, balance, due terms and conditions, and the authorized signature. Pro tips for invoicing. In this section, we will be sharing some tips for creating professional invoices. Aesthetic. It's imperative that your invoices are visually appealing. Diligent usage of colors is very crucial. For example, a red unpaid stamp on a reminder invoice will bring attention to the outstanding amount. However, the same on a regular invoice might seem a bit rude. Clear description. Give a clear description on the product or service being offered. Vague description often leaves a bad impression about your business. Also avoid any hidden charges as this can put off your customers. Outstanding payments. How much your client owes on the current invoice is important, but if they also have overdue invoices, then it's good to let them know. That giving a consolidated total of how much they owe saves your clients time as they won't have to calculate the total themselves. Incentives and promotions. Your invoice is the perfect place to pitch your products and/or services to ensure future business deals. You can let your customers know about your seasonal promotions and offers and even offer incentives on early payments. This can make your customers pay you on time. Multiple payment options. Make it as easy as possible for your clients to pay you by offering multiple payment options through online payment gateways. You can now send a payment link along with the invoice and let your customers decide how they want to pay you. In the end, you may get paid faster. Being polite pays, including a thank you note, can improve the likelihood of getting paid faster. People are more likely to do business with a polite client again and will feel more inclined to pay them faster. Evolution of invoice. The e-invoice, on the other hand, bears no extra cost. Besides the initial subscription from stone invoices to electronic ones, invoicing has evolved through the ages. Today, designing and tracking invoices manually is a lot of work, and without an efficient system in place, managing your business will turn into a tedious process. However, an online invoicing solution will help you streamline your business operations and make invoicing a breeze. Invoice Us. Invoice smarter, get paid faster. You can create and send estimates and invoices, receive payments, record your expenses, and much more using Invoice Us. Sign up for your free trial today. Thank you.